Hey guys, I'm Pro Beats, and today I want to show you how you can control your send bus to achieve cleaner vocals and a better mix. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Let's get right into it. One thing that I've been doing for the past couple of years is having all my sends, my effects bussed together on a single bus track. So this is my folder with all the effects, all the sends, reverbs, delays. Most of the sends are going out to this EFX bus. I do this because I can control the level of it, I can control the dynamic with the compressor, I can process all the sends in the session how I want. And that opens up a lot of possibilities when it comes to the relation between the vocals and the sends. One thing that I've been doing with my effect bus is using the vocals to trigger some sort of sidechain processing to make sure that the vocals are always on top and not buried in reverbs, delays and other effects. Let me play with the track. It sounds like this.
Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash. Und plötzlich willst du wieder zurück. Doch ich sitz im Racecar, blicke nach vorn, ja. RIP an alle, die wir verloren haben.
As you can hear, I have a lot of reverb, I have lots of delays going on, so it's a pretty busy track, and by using that much reverb and that many delays, you risk having a really muddy mix. One way to control that is to use some sort of mid-side sidechain processing. One plugin that I absolutely use on every single mix is Suit 2, and that's because we have a mid-side mode. The vocals are dead in the center. I just want to control the reverbs and the delays in the center. I want them to be wide, but I don't want the sends getting in front of the vocals in the center. So we have Suit in mid-side. Next step is to set the sidechain the vocals. This is my vocal bus. Now if you engage the sidechain on Suit, Suit will react just to the vocals.
Ich bleibe nicht lang, Baby, ich muss fort, ja. Und alles, was ich will, ist so nah. Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash.
If the vocals aren't playing, Suit is not reacting. From this point, it's just a matter of fine-tuning the settings. Let's go with only mid because I want Suit to control only the mid section of the send, a longer release. I don't want the effect bus to pump. With the sharpness, you control how many bands you have. I don't want that many bands. I want something that sounds natural.
Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe.
With the EQ bands on the Suit, I can control a specific range. I want the low mids not to get in front of the vocals on the effect sends.
Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash. Und plötzlich willst du wieder zurück. Doch ich sitz im Racecar, blicke nach vorn, ja. RIP an alle, die wir verloren haben. Ich bleibe nicht lang, Baby, ich muss fort, ja. Und alles, was ich will, ist so nah. Baby, ich geh ans Ende. Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt.
I think 4 is a good setting for the release. Now let's set the depth. I don't want this to be a really obvious effect. I just want to control the mid section of the sends.
Ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash. Und plötzlich willst du wieder zurück. Doch ich sitz im Racecar, blicke nach vorn, ja. RIP an alle, die wir verloren haben. Ich bleibe nicht lang, Baby, ich muss fort, ja. Und alles, was ich will, ist so nah. Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash. Und plötzlich willst du wieder zurück. Doch ich sitz im Racecar, blicke nach vorn, ja. RIP an alle, die wir verloren haben. Ich bleibe nicht lang, Baby, ich muss fort, ja. Und alles, was ich will, ist so nah. Baby.
And this is one trick that I use all of the time to control my sends. That's why I like having them on a single bus. You can also do it with a regular or a dynamic EQ like the FabFilter Pro Q3. Let's add a band, stereo placement, mid, and now you can cut from the bus send where you want to make room for the vocals.
Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash. Und plötzlich willst du wieder zurück. Doch ich sitz im Racecar, blicke nach vorn, ja. RIP an alle, die wir verloren haben. Ich bleibe nicht lang, Babe, ich muss fort, ja. Und alles, was ich will, ist so nah.
Or you can use it in dynamic mode and set the sidechain, the vocals, and activate the sidechain on Pro Q3. Now let's set the threshold.
Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash. Und plötzlich willst du wieder zurück. Doch ich sitz im Racecar, blicke nach vorn, ja. RIP an alle, die wir verloren.
You can also use another trick, reducing the top end of the effect bus, just to make sure that the shine of the vocals cut through when the vocals are not playing, the reverbs, the delays are getting a bit brighter. Let's do the same thing, engage the sidechain vocals, make it dynamic, set the threshold.
Baby, ich geh ans Ende der Welt. Ich hol uns alles, wenn du mich lässt. Und Babe, du siehst, ab jetzt mach ich Cash. Und plötzlich willst du wieder zurück. Doch ich sitz im Racecar, blicke nach vorn, ja.
So now we have a dark sound on the sends when the vocals are playing, opening up when the vocals are not playing, adding a bit more excitement and a bit more movement. Another technique that you can use in a similar fashion by using a mid-side compressor, compressing just the mid section, using the vocals as the input sidechain for the compressor. So this is one of the many tricks that you can use to achieve cleaner mixes, to make sure that the vocals are all the time up front, all the time on the beat, not buried in the mix, overpowered by reverbs and delays. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you guys really soon. Cheers.